Welcome, in front of me is a HUAWEI P40 Lite E, and today I will show you how to enter the recovery mode on this device. So to get started, let's hold the power key and select power off. There we go, tap on power off. And once the device shuts off, you then want to hold power key and volume up. Then we see the HUAWEI logo, at which point you can let go. So there we go, and you can let go of the keys. And we're now in the recovery mode. So from here, each option you can just simply tap on it. And the first one is just Reboot System Now, which will go back to Android. Wipe data, factory reset is just a reset of your device. Wipe cache partition, just wipes cache partition. And safe mode puts your device into safe mode. So if you have some kind of problem with your device that it's malfunctioning, for instance, you can boot it into safe mode to see if that will help, and if it's a fault of the, for instance, like some kind of system or a virus on your device, some kind of app just screwing things up. So whatever you select, you just want to tap on it. I'm gonna choose Reboot System Now to also leave this mode. So let's just tap on it and it automatically shuts off the device and then powers it back on. And once it's back up, we should be then in the Android, and that's basically how you would enter and also exit the recovery mode on this device. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.